Let me just put on a little Vaseline on the lip here. Let me just be honest here, because, you know, sometimes when persons hear the word nurse practitioner, they immediately think you're rich. Like money just start fall out of your pocket as soon as you graduate from nursing school. But nobody really talks about before, during, and after, you know, when reality kick in. Because becoming a nurse practitioner, it is expensive, because you think about tuition, you think about books, boards, nursing, credentialing, you talk about licensing. And while you're doing all of that, you're still paying like rent, mortgage, car notes. Life goes on. A bunch of expenses are out there. So when you finally get that NP title, you're thinking, yes, this is where the money starts. But when reality taps you on that shoulder, yes, when you look at your first your first paycheck, your first NP job, you might realize that it is not exactly what Instagram told you it would have been. Because especially if you're a new grad NP, if you're one of those international nurses, or if you're someone who doesn't know how to negotiate yet, it might surprise you. Yes, you have some nurses out there, or nurse practitioners, that are making six figures, but they are, you know, it's not because of their title alone. They're making it because they understand their worth. They know how to negotiate contracts. They pick a specialty that pays a lot, or they add side income. They stop being afraid. They're not afraid of walking away from low contracts or offers. And so we're going to talk about the part that, you know, nobody wants to admit. The fact that you have some nurse practitioners that are underpaid, the ones that are overworked. You have some nurse practitioners that are working and being paid RN salary, or, you know, rates. But here's the part that gives me hope as a nurse practitioner, because you have some nurse practitioners out there that are learning the side business. They're the ones that are winning. The nurse practitioners who are diversifying. They're doing telehealth, aesthetics, urgent care, mobile services, coaching. They're the ones that are winning. The ones who are stop accepting experience as payment. They're the ones that are winning. So no, nurse practitioner role doesn't magically make you rich. But knowledge does, confidence does, advocating for yourself does. And once you stop playing small, the money starts to catch up. And if you're on this journey, remember, you're not behind, you're just learning. So if you're thinking about becoming a nurse practitioner, go on back to school. Go back to school. Learn the business. You understand? Get the knowledge. Build your confidence. And come sit down there, you can put on some lip gloss like me. Eventually, you will get there. Alright? Enjoy your day. And this is Lip Therapy by Vaseline. Not sponsored. Alrighty. Enjoy your day now, guys. Bye.